Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So, unfortunately I wanted to get work done on the truck, but besides the batteries dying, it's also raining, and I can't seem to figure that truck out. I'm going to have to make a separate video on that because I don't know if the computer died on me or what, but first I thought it was the fuel pump because the actual little one of the terminals broke off. So I replaced that because I have the lifetime warranty on the Bosch fuel pump. I don't know, it's been a nightmare. Like sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. I traced the wires down, everything seems fine. Like the wires show that it's getting voltage, but it's just not working. So that's going to be a whole nother project. But I want to make a video on this. Probably going to butcher this name so bad. Schumacher. You guys are probably going to tell me if I'm wrong or not. I want to make an unboxing, and I'm also going to test it out on my one of my batteries that I use around here just for jumping stuff. I do have that jumper pack, which has been working great, but I really needed something that was heavy duty that could actually charge, you know, a decent amount, if you guys get what I'm saying. I don't even know what I'm saying, so don't listen to me. Let's put this back. This just popped out. There we go. Locked into place, and there she is. I mean, I've needed one of these for a while now, so I'm glad I finally just broke the bank and went out and grabbed one. They're currently on sale at Walmart right now for $95. So this is the one. Sorry about that, YouTube. I guess my camera died. This is the jump starter. Sorry, this is gonna annoy me. I wonder if I can fix that bubble. Not really a big deal. But so it is a jump starter, charges batteries. It's like the all-in-one kind of deal. And for $95, you know, I'm gonna have to see how it works, but if it does the job, you know, that's a pretty good deal considering for $60 you get one with, it's just the bare bone basic 15 amp charger. If this is gonna work great, I got the 2-year warranty with it, so I'm hoping that everything works out with this. Let's get this battery on the charger, and then I gotta start working on some other projects in here. I don't even know where to start. It's hard when you're a one-man team, but yeah, let's put this on the charger and let's see how it works. Alright YouTube, so as you can see, it is charging right now. There we go. Yep, it's charging up. Battery's connected, so it is currently, let's see, 229. Let's see how long it takes. So I have it on the 6 amp charge right now. That should be sufficient. I don't know how drained this battery is. I was going to put it on a faster charge, but I really don't want to go too crazy with this. Actually, I think it's on the 40 amp boost right now. Yeah, that should be better. Let's just do the 2 to 6 amp. I don't want to kill the battery. It is getting old. But the battery itself still works great. It's March 13. So, in the meantime, I guess we're going to have to find some projects to work on. I have new carbs for the other mowers on the other side here. So tons of stuff I got to do. I'm only going to be keeping one of these mowers, so I just got to get that specific one going so that I can use it, and then the others I'm going to fix and sell. It's just I wish I could take some stuff out temporarily so I could work on it. But every day I try to work on stuff. It's just been raining, so that don't help. Alright, YouTube. But that's the unboxing, and let's see how long it takes.